Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Mazda 3 SP25 Hatch, stock reference number 5290. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left tail light LED type. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, display screen, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, interior mirror, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.